go. Oh, you are lucky. Because you're quick. Where'd you learn to run so fast?
Dada. Where's the first? Is it the size of my foot?
Whoa.
It's the size of my foot.
You like it?
Yeah.
You love it?
Right back.
Okay.
I'll die.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I plug it in? We'll charge it?
No.
Good ride, sweetie. High five. Don't leave me hanging there. High five. What are you watching, Emma? Willow, what are you watching? Willow,
Look. Look.
what are you watching, sweetie? Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm getting gum. We'll do another bubble gum.
What are you doing?
This one. Oh, bubble gum.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Awesome. You sing.
Oh! Oh, darn it, I forgot that you can reverse it.
Oh yeah.
Hi. We made these cookies and we are going to do marshmallows with this and then chocolate and then caramel and then stack another cookie on top to make s'mores and add like more some more s'mores, please. 7 Mustangs on the open range. One starts acting awful strange with the bucket of nays off and away. 7 Mustangs on the open range.
Beautiful. What do you got there, sweetie? Can you lean it? Show me.
There's more that I'm never gonna eat.
Is it too big? Okay, bring it back.
Thank you.
What was that noise?
I don't know.
Look at that.
All right, here we go. This is Emma's idea. So it's a homemade cookie. What kind of cookie, sweetie?
Homemade cookie?
Yeah, what kind?
Vanilla.
It's got caramel inside from Emma's toffee, and it's got Lindt chocolate, and then a perfect warm marshmallow. Okay, sweetie, go ahead. Sarah?
Whoa, thank